kasi na ako. Oh my God. Kakaligo ko lang. Kakayos ko lang talaga. So, kakain ko na ako before punta ng school. And yun na yun. Char. See you later. Kakabalik ko lang po sa first day of class and after grocery run with my mom and time is 8:06 p.m. August 5 and mag-wash ako later before mag-sleep and review a little kasi may quiz ako tomorrow and that's all. Mag-i-skin care na rin ako later. Ganun. Para early sleep kasi pagod ako. Hindi naman po halatang pagod. So, see you later if tapos na pa ako mag-skin care. Hi guys, I'm done with my skincare and brush before I go to bed. Yun lang. And nag-study na rin ako for my quiz tomorrow. Bye! See you tomorrow. Hi guys! Good morning! Kakatapos ko lang maligo and it's 6:28-ish. August 6, 2024 and ang trend ako for today is kumain, mag-toothbrush at magpaganda a little. Hi ka, hi ka baby, mag-hi. Hello, hi guys, this is Cooper. Yung pula namin, ow bro, sakit na sakit ng bro. Ayan, inano ako. Ayan. Kaano kasi yan. Char. So, yun lang yung dyan ako today, guys. See you later sa school. If ever makapag-vlog ako doon.
Gary!
A day in my life.
Ay, cosmetic student. Second year edition. Second year edition. That's Gary. Hi, Gary. Tanasika. Hi, guys. Ngawat ko. Diri clear. 400 akong diri. Diri 300. 400, 300. Wala, di ko kita diri. So, 400 niya akong diri na ice. Yeah. 400, 300. Yeah, my ice is 400, 300. Because this is only 300. Oh. So, medyo blur pa. Blur dyan diri. Yes, ma'am. Is this my vlog? No, this is not my vlog. This is our schedule, guys. Hi to Kashi's vlog. This is our our second class. Joke. This is our third class, but first class in the afternoon. Ganda-ganda lang yung about ko, guys. Okay, so today.
Hi guys, mga
Pinakagwapa. Bondero saan? Diba rin? Aesthetic ingredients ni Kashi. Aesthetic kayo. Si aesthetic girl. Ayaw, apila kong nawu. Start our class. You bring.
Good morning. Time check. It's 6:38, August 7, Wednesday. And kakatapos ko lang pumaligo. Mag-breakfast muna ako before pumunta ng school. And yeah, that's it.
Jar! Hi! Amelia!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again! Oh my god! Update na kami sa balay sa kong friend. Wala siya. Di mo mag-lunch. Okay, balik ni Juan for our next class. So, see you later. Hi guys, good morning. It's 6:55 a.m. yata. Thursday. Bihis na ako ng uniform at kakain na lang yun ako ng breakfast bago pumunta ng school. So yeah, that's it. See you later. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, manan akong class whole day. After class, shenanigans na kanina namin sa isoy. Kaya pamasahe si Mulder. And uban na ko. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday, August 9, 7:21 a.m. Sabi ka early bird ka yung muta. So for today, agenda na ko is mag-change of clothes, tas later matukog orientation. Kasi matukog orientation sa among course. Ano na siya agenda? So, see you later. And then, iba ko kung ligo. I just finished taking a bath. Hi guys! It's 10. Time check, it's 10 a.m. And welcome to school. Today, namin pass orientation sa mga orientation. 3:31 p.m. in the afternoon, and wala akong class today. it's a good day, manood, mag-watch, mag-binge watch, manood the movie. So, ganyan yung ginawa ko kanina, kaya hindi ako nag-update. So, I think this will be the end of my a week in a live vlog as a second year med student. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you'll like more of my content. Char. I hope na you enjoy this video that I'll be editing later, and comment for more if you wanna see more of my life. And that's all. Bye.